Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 13th of September, 2021 at 8:15 a.m. So we wake up, we've got the market rallying, but I'll tell you, so far, it still has the hallmarks of a downtrend rally, not an uptrend from this point. I'd like to be wrong, but it doesn't feel like that. And the energy is a big gain today. We'll get the OPEC monthly reports today, and we'll see if they're going to increase their projections for demand. The word is that they are, so we'll see how much if that's the case. Another case in the grain market, you come in off a weekend, you have good weather, just enough moisture, not overbearing heat, middle of September, good harvest time coming up in parts of the country for the corn market. Bonds and notes, you're pretty flat here at the 133 level in the 10-year note. The dollar getting a bid today at the expense of currencies. They're back and forth, but the yen looks to me like it's starting to roll over. For those of you that watch the my morning subscriber video, you got up high enough today where you hit the upper Bollinger Band, a resistance point, the third flip of a window envelope. To me, and by the way, overbought. Those three together, as you were into the high 445, 447 level, started to call for a top, and bingo, down 500 points, if you will. I think this market's more technical than anything else, which I like, so don't get me wrong. I like what I'm seeing on that. So, what about the day's events? Well, if you take a look, there's no key economic reports due out today out of the United States. OPEC, as I said, their numbers come out. Tomorrow, the market's going to focus on maybe the big number of the week, which is the CPI. And on Friday, well, we get the all-important triple witching day. Woo! So you're going to say goodbye to a lot of things. What does that do? Well, if you took a look here, I've already moved to the Decembers in all the stock indices. All my currencies are now into the December that we'll be watching. So it's time for you to make your moves. Very shortly, you're going to making your moves in Bitcoin as well. So got to get ready for all those type of events that are going to hit you. And remember, triple witching day, always a lot of fun. It can get pretty crazy in the markets. Now, I like you to think about starting your day off in this trading season. This is like football. We kick off the trading season. This is the first full week after the summer. It's after the kids have gone back to school. New York schools have reopened all over the place. It's everywhere. So if you need that extra little bit of lift, I, in the morning, get up at 5:40 to record. Now, I'm up about 4 in the morning reading, preparing everything. At typically 5:30 to 5:40 a.m. Central Time, I start recording. And I'm going to give you what's going on in Europe, if anything of importance, Asia, and the U.S., the reports coming out, what the market's looking for, and then we start going into the trades. Now, I do come out in my mornings, and I say, I want you to buy here, sell there, here's your stop, here's how to handle the market accordingly. I cover all the markets in this sequence. Over 40 charts are covered, both longer term with the weekly and the daily charts. Monday through Friday, my focus is primarily daily charts. Weekends, I put out the weekly chart for you. So if this is something that you might be looking at and something that you think might help you, well, how do you get to it? It's simple. Go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Under the word research, it's all there. Take a look at the different programs we have. If you're hearing that in the background, that's our QT. We've begun broadcasting to our clients now what we think the day is going to look like in a number of markets. That also comes with this product. You have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.